Morning, everyone. It's around 9 o'clock on Tuesday, the 2nd, my video number 262. I want to remind everyone if you like the work, please like us on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Uh, the chart on the screen is the same one that I finished with last night, which is the US dollar. And as you can see, we're down about 15 and a half basis points. Not a dramatic move as yesterday, but nonetheless a fairly substantial move. What you're looking at here is the daily for 9 months. And as you can see, the moves are very rangy from a low in here at 95 and a half up to you know recovery high of 98 and a half. Then on the break we go all the way down to 94 and a half and up to 104. What we've done is we've had this consolidation sideways, and after breaking through 99 just 4 days ago, we broke through 98 yesterday. And while we're not down a lot, we are continuing lower. I have no idea where to mark any kind of resistance here. We have all of the four moving averages, the 5, the 20, the 50, and the 100, all having turned down. And this is a symptom of where we are in the economy with debt and deficits, and the fact that we're flooding the market. The dollar has got to move lower on that kind of impetus. When I went to sleep last night, I was all excited that we were going to get a chance to get into the gold. Overnight, it was up $6. Now it's up 40 cents. We may get another shot. And, since we were down here at 1701, we've clawed our way back with a series of higher highs and higher lows. Today so far is an inside day, but if we break out through the top, we will get long. Another one that I wanted to show you, which as of last night I was all ready to get short, has turned up yet again. It's the oil. And the oil, everybody's familiar with this chart, but we are coming right into the 100-day moving average here. We're also coming into this resistance that we had in early April, and that we had on the first gap down when the oil, before the real debacle, when the oil went from basically 46 to 32 in a 2-day period, and then when we broke to the downside. I'd really like to get short this. I think that it's getting overbought. I think that it's right into this same area, 37 and a half, where that 100-day moving average comes in and these tops come in. So I'm looking at that. On the stock side, the futures are up 150 in the Dow, 15 in the S&P, and $10 in the NASDAQ. A couple of stocks I want to mention. Dick's Sporting Goods missed on earnings but beat on revenues. The stock is trading right in the middle of a $3 range for the day. From 35 to 38, it's up a half a dollar or 1.3%. Lowe's was upgraded. It's up $2 or 1.5%. Lululemon was downgraded by Wells Fargo, and it is also up 1.5%. Western Union is taking over MoneyGram. MoneyGram is trading at 385, up $1.26, or just under 50%. This looks like a marriage made in heaven since nobody sends telegrams anymore. Western Union does a lot of money movement. Realty Income, symbol O. Never saw it before, but there was a news story on it this morning that even with the forbearance, they collected 82% of the rent that was due on their entire portfolio. Zoom, which reports after the close today, had a big day yesterday, up $24.67 to 204. And this morning, the report doesn't come until after the close. This morning, it's up another $6 at 210. And Slack, symbol for which is work, is another work from anywhere kind of company. It closed yesterday at 37.18, up $2.13 or 6%. And this morning, without any news, it's up another $2.12 to 39.30. As I said, the oil is up, but the real winner today with the weak dollar has to be Bitcoin. Bitcoin was down as low as 8,600 just a couple of days ago, and it clawed its way back the same way the oil did, with higher highs and higher lows every day. Yesterday, it did basically nothing, and this morning is trading at 10,245. That's up 595. I'm going to give you a little bit better look at this chart on the weekly basis so you can see. This is 10,670 as a high. Today's high is 10,965. So that actually has broken to a new high. We still have this resistance in here. That number is a little over 11,200, and then we're back towards this recovery high of 13,900. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It's a very weird day. I just want to add one more item, not to sound too political, but it kind of disgusts me, the number of CEOs who have come out the same way that the Orange Emperor did last night, with all kinds of sound and fury, as the saying goes, signifying nothing. This is the same discussion that we have every single time that there is something as extreme as what happened to the young man in Minneapolis, which clearly was murder, not an accident, and every school shooting. So, while the politicians, and now it seems the public CEOs, don't want to waste the time to actually do anything, they are on their soapboxes talking about everything that has to be done. Again, like school shootings, like racial injustice. I doubt anything will come of it. I can always be hopeful. I am a child of the 60s and went through that. So, hopeful is one thing. The realistic point of historically what has actually happened from these incidents does not bear well on any change coming now. Have a good day.